Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you have to go to Insert tab and insert a rounded corner rectangle. And then you have to use a specific height and length. Let me just increase its size. And here you go. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is decrease its width and move it right here. Go to format shape and go to fill and give it a two gradient drop, gradient of two gradient stops, and use both the white colors with a bit of black shade. And we're gonna go to rotation and we're gonna give it rotation of 360. And the next thing you're going to do is insert a circle with the same width as same as the rounded corner rectangle. And what we're going to do is place it on top of it right here. And let me just adjust the size of the rounded corner rectangle. Select the circle and rearrange it and put it right into the center and the middle top of this rounded cornered shape. Remove its outline and go to format shape and give it a gradient of as same as the rounded corner rectangle. But we're just gonna change the colors to black. Both the gradient stops have to be black and insert middle gradient stop of black color as well. Next, duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl plus D and go to format shape and rotate it horizontally. And the next thing you're going to do is give it a fill of black and increase its transparency. And go to soft edges and give it one of those. And here you go. So this won't look right, so let me just use gradient of black and black but increase the gradient transparency of each of the black gradient stop. And this is how it looks. So this is just gonna be our shadow. And the next thing we're gonna do is insert another circle but with a darker outline and no fill. And then we're gonna send it to the back, and for the shadow we're just going to send it to the back as well. And next we're going to group all of our shapes and put them and duplicate it and place it 4 times and duplicate it about 3 times and move them below these shapes. And then group all of them because we want to put them into the center and the middle. And then give them a suitable of the gap between them. So for now, I'm just going to use 7 of these shapes. And the next thing I'm gonna do is rearrange them with equal gaps. And the next thing I'm gonna do is change the colors. And right now I'm going to use two shaded colors, like the top circle goes with the color of the darker shade of the same color, and the bottom part goes with the lighter color shade of the same color. And this way I'm going to change the color of each of this template shape. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And for your information, I have taken this gradient palette from the Pinterest, and you can also check the Pinterest by searching color palettes of different shades from here to get this palette. So next we're going to insert a line, straight line connecting each of the shape, and if we want to increase its size because we want to attach each of them. So what we're going to do is just increase the weight of this each of the line which is straight. We're just going to change the color to black. Here you go. Just put them right here like this. And the next thing you're going to do is insert your text. So first of all, I'm just going to insert a header. And next goes the content text. Let me just write some more because I want more space to be filled right here. So let's just group it all by pressing Ctrl plus G and then moving it right here. And the next thing I'm gonna do is just duplicating them again and again, and one more goes right here on top. And it's all complete except that we have still have to insert 7 icons on each of the top circle of each of the shape. Let me just insert some 7 of the interesting icons, and let me just decrease the size and change the color fill to white, and then put each of them in the center and the middle of each of the circle on top of each of the shape. Here goes this scientific, and here goes this degree, and here goes this time clock, and here goes this other icon. So that was all for today in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.